Hello, in this video, I'll be creating a shell script that moves any new file or directory created in the home directory to a directory called Al-Sokhon plus shell script automatically every minute. So we will start with creating the directory that will contain all the newly created files and directories. And for that, we'll use mkdir, which is make directory. Then, using the ls command, we can view the current directory's content. And here we can see the new directory, which is here. Okay. Now, since we want the script to automatically run every minute, we'll be opening or actually using the cron tab. So the cron tab is a file which is used to schedule routine jobs in the background based on a specified time, and using the VI editor, we'll open the cron tab and we'll add the following commands. The command is as follows. To move the files from a place to another, we use the mv command, followed by the source, then the destination. Our source is home EC2 user. Now we want to find files from here which were created in the last 24 hours. The ctime -1 selects the files that were created in the last 24 hours. Now, by finding these files, we have selected the newly created files in the home directory. But since Al-Sokhon's shell script is in the home directory, we want to exclude its path, as well as any hidden files that are in the home EC2 user directory. And then we move all of these files to Al-Sokhon shell script. Now, same thing goes to the directories, but instead of writing type F, we write type D. Our source is home EC2 user. We're trying to find the directories in this source, and select the ones that were created in the last 24 hours. But for sure, since Al-Sokhon shell script is a directory, we want to exclude its path as well as its name. Okay, here it is. So when we write find exclude name, it means that we want to exclude this specific name, and then these newly created directories are moved to Al-Sokhon shell script. So the previous commands that we saw on the notepad, I copy-pasted them in the cron tab file, which are right over here. Now, as you can see, in order to write a job in the cron tab, we have to first specify the time, and in our case, it is 1 minute. And then the username of the user that will execute the job, which is EC2 user, and then the command itself. So here it's the command for the files, and here is the command for the directories. And then I'm just going to press escape, and then save and exit. So in order for us to test if our script works properly or not, we're going to create new files and directories. So let me create a new file, 100, and mkdir new directory 100. Now, when we're going to list the contents of this current directory, we're not supposed to find these two, this file and directory in the listing of the directory. However, we have to find it in the Al-Sokhon plus shell script directory. But since it's a scheduled job that requires 1 minute, we have to give it 1 minute in order for it to work. So we have to wait. Okay, now I'm going to list here. Okay, as you can see here, the home directory does not contain the new file 100 or the new directory 100. So now we're going to see here. Okay, so the directory Al-Sokhon plus shell script has the new file 100 and the new directory 100, and this directory I happen to create this today, so it's in the directory right now, and that shows that the job works as it's supposed to be. And thank you.